I am waiting for 3 minutes more. Then I will start. 3 minutes. I am giving time for 3 minutes for attending happening in the Google Meet. After that, it is not possible. Young, you have joined. Bhuvan.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. ठीक. 7. 7 students now they have joined. Deep Tanu, Dr. Deep Tanu
Yes.
Devnath.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Ah, just join and just you left.
No,
Hmm?
sir. Previously, I am not. Yesterday, sir, I am do the full class, sir. When you, sir, all of the so when you say thank you, then in that time I will left, sir. Yesterday, sir.
Hmm. If you not join, learning also that will be weak, and the attendance also it is valuable. 11, 10% and 3 Jagrita Vishwas Ajit Devnath होता भुवन दीप्तनु जगरीता जयंती लश्कर रियंग पिंकी मजुमदार राजर्षि और Dr. Ashish has not joined now. Uh, another. Okay, just for 1 minute. I am waiting for 1 minute. You have done the problem what that is related to. Oh, just I have Dr. Ashish has joined. And next 12, 12 which is mean 11. 2 person, two student Satyajit, Ramkrishna, Rajarshi, Pinky, and Young Janti or two. Oh, Ramkrishna Poddar. No, he has joined. Nirjar. Nirjar has not joined. And one of a student,
Devashish, sir. Devashish Devpal.
Devashish. Yes, 2 person. Okay, okay. You are seeing the PPT?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, NPC that has been finished. NPC. What is NPC?
Normal probability.
Normal probability curve.
Hmm?
Normal probability curve.
Right. NPC. That is what do you mean by NPC?
That means the frequency is the normal distribution.
Hmm.
Its skewness is 0.
Hmm.
This is Mastocatric.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. Bell shaped.
Hmm.
Yes.
S asymptotic
Asymptomatic.
asymptotic
Asymptomatic.
asymptotic
Hmm.
curve.
And
Okay.
cutoff is 0.263.
0.26.
0.06
260.
This is the
0.260.
condition. This is the mathematical definition. Okay. That
Yes,
is
sir.
very easy to remember. Hmm. And I have also told the relationship between the quartile deviation and standard deviation in a normal distribution. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So that will be necessary. Now what is assumption of normal distribution? Assumption of normal distribution. That is very things. This is the conceptual chapter, and I think that those who are not understanding the practical aspect of the aesthetics, this will be very helpful for the solving the problem or writing in the examination. Assumption of normal distribution. Of normal distribution. Assumptions. Each and everything that is based on the assumptions. What do you mean by assumption? In aesthetics, in science subject, that is assumption. In geometry also, assumption. There is assumption. That is any theory that is a start from assumption. What do you mean by assumption?
Sir, assumption means predicted thoughts about the system. Suppose we tell that, let's suppose this. Suppose the assumptions of a
Supposing,
gas.
in mathematics, totally based on the supposing.
Yes. Suppose
Assumption. Research
accepted
also.
thing.
Any
gas.
types of research. Let us in science also. You have firstly you have to accept something. Then it is possible to go there. Go ahead. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is assumption. That is based on the thesis, antithesis, thesis, synthesis. Okay. This is
Yes.
your what that the result. Firstly, title is nothing but that is the result. Conclusion, generalization. So assumption necessary. What I am going to collect a new information, new data. So what should be your assumption? Suppose you are going to collect a data regarding the emotional intelligence. A lot of tools regarding the emotional intelligence. So what you assume? What you
Standardized.
have taken? That particular tools. This will be that will identify the emotional intelligence. So that is the assumption. What you have to take it to take for the go ahead. So assumption that is a very things, supposing things. Let us suppose that in mathematics each and every time see you have to do. Let us suppose that, and after you prove this one. Okay, many, and it is the term that is related to geometry. And so geometry is also the origin of the philosophy. Okay, generally geometrical things is a assumption of the philosophy or research. So assumption, I am the what should be the assumption? Basic assumption of the normal distribution. That the variables of the behavioral science, bioscience, natural science, and etc. Okay. It is not only used in the social science, it is also normal distribution curve, normal probability curve also used in the science also when we are going to collect the data. Okay. So that is doesn't matter. So what is the this case? So first assumption is that what is first the area covered by normal distribution is assumed an unit. Understand?
Yes,
Covered
sir.
area. Covered area. What is the covered area? Covered area by normal distribution. By normal distribution, that is assumed, that is accepted equal to 1 unit. What do you mean by unit? What do you mean by unit? Hello?
Sir, fundamental of unit মানে smallest thing, sir.
What is?
Smallest quantity.
Quantity. Only, but what is unit? One, that is one unit is the smallest. But what is unit? I am telling about the unit. Define unit. This is the very important part in the science. Unit. What is the unit of smallest unit of the rupee?
Paisa.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Smallest unit. But what is unit?
Sir, smallest quantity through which we can
Quantity, I'm not telling about quantity. Unit.
Smallest part of a particular measurement.
Right. You are going, but tell what is about unit.
smallest thing we can measure, sir. Smallest thing we can measure. Smallest thing we can measure.
This is the standard measurement, a fixed amount or number used as a standard of
Yes, sir.
measurement. This is that fixed amount that is used for a standard of measurement. Just as, for example, time, second. Okay.
Yes.
Kilogram, we have taken mass, that is the gram. So what
Gram maybe
matters
kg, sir.
that just like a suppose molecule is formed of
Mole.
what is atom? Different atom that makes a molecule. Okay,
Amount of
so
substance.
atom is the smallest things. But unit, what is unit? Unit is a measurement, a standard of measurement. Okay, a
Yes, sir.
standard of measurement. Okay.
Yes, sir.
A unit of measurement is different magnitude of quantity defined and adopted by law. That is nothing. It is used as a standard for measurement of some kind of quantity. Not quality, quantity.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So generally it is a standard of measurement of same kind of quantity. And any other quantity of that kind can be expressed as a multiple of the unit of measurement. As for example, a length is a physical quantity. Length is a physical quantity. नहीं, तो length is, what is the smallest unit of the length?
Centimeter.
Centimeter. That can be grow. Meter, kilometer, etc. So generally measurement. What is measurement? Measurement is a quantity descriptions of the
Unit.
things, attribute, etc. That measurement, that standardized part of the measurement, that is nothing but the unit. Okay. And unit is very smallest things. That is initial. This is started from that. As for example, for the teaching learning situation, for the learning something, concept is a basic unit, a smallest units of the learning. Okay, so this is the unit, cover area by the normal distribution. What is the cover area of the normal distribution?
Area under the curve.
Under the NPC, normal curve. So what is that? 100%. Okay, 68%, that is minus 1 2 plus 2 sigma.
That is
Plus
6
1
SD.
sigma. Huh? Minus 1 sigma to plus 1 sigma, 68%.
Yes.
And minus 2 sigma 2 plus 2 sigma, what is? What will be this one? 95%.
95%.
And minus 3 sigma 2 plus 3 sigma, that is 99%. And what is that? 68%, the left side 16%, and right side 16%. Okay, so 16, 16, 32, and 32%, 68%. That will be 100%. Okay, that will be 100%. That is 1 unit. 100% of the area, 99%. And that is a symptotic curve that go to the minus infinity to plus infinity. All things that will become under the normal probability curve, that become the 1 unit. Okay, that this means that pura whole Brahman universe that make a 1 unit, the covered area by the normal disk. So what is the universe? What you have taken a population in the statistics. Statistics so only used in for the sample, but it tells about the whole of the population. In inferential statistics, if you are going to calculate the inferential statistics, you have to explain about the population on the basis of the sample. On the basis of the statistics. Statistics didn't mean that the sample. So that particle collected data that become 1 unit. Understand? Suppose you are going to establish relationship between emotional intelligence and spiritual intelligence. So what is emotional intelligence? The unit, 1 unit. Emotional units collection of data that become 1 unit. But NPC there. NPC for the spiritual intelligence. NPC for the emotional. So in the research, 1 variable has 1 unit. So that cover area by the normal distribution, that is 1 unit. Second point I am telling, you know this one. Mean is 0. You know, mean is 0. Mean is 0. A standard deviation equal to 1. What is? A standard deviation equal to 1. So what do you mean by a standard deviation is 1, mean is 0, the mean is 3 times of SD of normal curve. M is 3 times of a standard deviation. कैसे? -1 sigma, +1 sigma, 2 sigma, 3 sigma. But this lies on from where? It lies just -3 sigma standard deviation to +3 standard deviation. Okay, this value. So generally this curve, the range of the curve, what is the total value? This one, this total value is equal to what? 6
SD.
6
SD.
standard deviation. ठीक है? Okay. So this means that the range of the curve is -3 sigma to +3 sigma. Actually, this is started. Why it is taken? -3 sigma to 3 sigma. That value is 99.9%. Understand? And if we are going to -1 infinitive to +1 infinitive, that 0.001, that is very negligible. Understand? Very negligible. So this is the probability. Okay, this due to this reason, It is not possible to reach on the infinity part of the curve. Okay, but you have to take just six standard deviation. Next, standard scores. Standard score. In form of sigma scores. Standard scores are in the form of sigma score. Okay, so what is sigma score? Where? On x-axis only. On x-axis. Because why? Why on x-axis? Because y-axis is 0. It is a straight line. If you are getting one straight line, the y-axis 0. So standard scores are in the form of sigma scores on the x-axis. Okay, so this is the assumption. Y is equal to 0 on what is going to a standard. What is a standard score and what is the raw score?
So
What
standard
is
score is
standard score and what is raw score?
Frequency, sir.
Huh?
yes, the standard score is the number of standard deviation. Uh,
No,
uh,
no, 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 no.
no, sir, with respect to raw score.
It's what is raw score? What is the standard score? I am asking this one, and you are answering the last position, not in initial way.
Sir, can you explain this point again, sir?
Suppose I have taken an examination, and you all number your 13. Rajarsi, you have collected marks in the research methodology 40 out of 50. Okay, so you have to tell I got 40 marks, 40 marks, 40 marks. But it is raw score. It is meaningless. But these marks get gone on the normal probability curves, on the grade. So what is? These marks give the grade. A plus A or B or C or D. That become, when the raw score become the meaningful value, that become a standard score. Okay. Now, you got a 40 marks, but how? In 200 or 100 or 50? It is not clear, but you are just telling I got a 40 marks. This is the raw score. This is the meaningless. It is the measurement, but not it is the evaluated. What is the value of 40? Oh, this may be possible. 40 marks is the lowest mark. It may be also possible. 40 marks is the highest mark. But it's not telling what you are only telling 40 marks. You have got 40 marks. So this is the raw score and it is meaningless. When it is become on the statistic application of the statistic, then we have to get one of the types of the score, and that's the score nothing but the standard score. And there is lot of things, standard score, sigma score, STEN9, STEN9, deviation IQ, etc. Thurman score, different types of the score that will be a standard score that is come under that will be applied on the basis of the normal probability curves. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, actually, sir, can you say that the expressing the raw data in the acceptable unit?
Raw score. That's in meaningless. Suppose you have got a 40 marks in research methodology. It is meaningless to say. But when we are going to get in the grade that become the standard score.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, okay, okay.
that is a standard score. The raw score is converted into a standard score, and that will be a standard score is meaningful for the relative position. Relative position necessary in the psychology or education, in behavioral science also. And that is only raw score that is meaningless. Not it is valuable in the if it is not on the normal probability curve. So all the grade is also based on the normal probability curve. You know, 2-point scale, 3-point scale, 4-point scale. Sometimes pass or fail. That is 2-point scale. Many universities give the result in pass or fail. 99% that is pass. 51% that is also pass. And below 50% that is fail. Only that is a 2-point scale. That is based on the normal probability curve. 3-point scale, A, B, C. Only 3 grade will be given. That is also based on the taking the mean and taking the standard deviation. 4-point scale, 5-point scale, 7-point scale. Net examination that is 55% that come under the 7-point scale. 9-point scale, ST9, that is known as ST9. Terman scale. Okay, IQ deviation. These are the standard score, not a raw score. So raw score is meaningless, and when this given on the NPC, that becomes the meaningful, and that is known as a standard score. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Now next chapter, next point. Application. What is the application of normal probability curve? That is very important, and actually teaching learning situation and evaluation or measurement or result publication, that is go together. And in result preparation, the use is normal probability curve, NPC. So what is the application I am giving the point here? So first application that is I am giving in research work. In research work, this is the application of the normal probability curve. कैसे, how it is proved? In behavioral science, a representative of sample is required, and because the finding of a study are based on the sample observation, a representative sample may be yield data normally distributed, and due to this reason you have to calculate nature of data of the nature of collected data. Okay, so this is nothing. Application of the statistical treatment is based on the distribution of data. The accuracy of inference depends on the use of the proper statistical analysis, and this is nothing but the normal probability curve. So research was totally based on the normal probability curve. If you get in Nature of data is a right way. There is no deviation. There is no more skewness. Neither it is negative nor more skewness. Kurtosis is also just mesoculti. The research will be verified. Due to this reason, we have to calculate mean, median, mode, relative position percentile, skewness, and kurtosis. Okay, so this is very important in the research work, application of the normal distribution, normal probability curve for the knowing about the nature of the data. Your data if very deviated, that will give the different result. No significance will become. And your level of significance necessary for the inferential statistics. Okay, so this is the research work. It is very necessary for the application of the normal probability curve. Next, measurement and test construction. What is measurement and what is construction? What is construction? Test construction. Okay, that is the use of the nothing but the normal probability, item analysis. If you are going to construct the test, a scale, any types of the inventory, battery, etc., that is based on the item analysis. And there is a test score also. You have to all use all the test interpretation of the test score. How it is possible? Then you have to find the sigma score, Z score, etc., different ST9 score, deviation IQ, Terman score, etc. So in the test construction, it is most important. Normal probability term is generally required for the test construction. And the measurement, what is you are going to measure? Quantitative description. So normal probability curves has its application for the measurement and test construction. Next point. Next point. Analysis, statistical analysis. Analysis. It is necessary. Actually, research is nothing. That is based on the statistical analysis. What is a statistic? That is the sample. What are you going to analyze? That is nothing based on the sample. What you have collected from the tools or test. The statistical analysis, the use of a statistical technique or analysis depends on the nature of the distribution of data. That is parametric technique or non-parametric technique. If you are that is they discuss about this is the part of the normal probability curve, because the parametric test or non-parametric test depend on the normal probability curve. If the nearly normal distribution data, then this be that the parametric test, and there is a abnormally distributed distribution that become the non-parametric test. So what is the test will be used? What types of tests? Either you are using non-parametric test or non-parametric test. That is the nothing but the contribution of the normal probability curves. Okay, so this is a very for the statistical analysis. It is used. It is the application application of the normal probability curve is nothing but the statistical analysis. Okay, next, administration. What do you mean by administration? What do you mean by administration? Anybody?
So whether we will reject or we will
No,
accept
I am telling about the administration. Administration. Administration, this means that giving test, that is also known as administration of the test. Okay, how can you give the test on the basis of sampling technique also, randomly, lottery basis, what type the statistical random sampling, purposive sampling, different types of probability and non-probability technique will be used, and due to the, you have to administer the test. So this is the normal distribution used in classifying the group of esteem grade of the individual. And raw score also transform into a standard score, and for comparing the two or more groups. What is the two or more group? That is the nothing, the two group, that will be one independent group and another independent group. Okay, so what should be the administration? That is also based on the normal probability curves. Okay. Next. Norms or standard score. Norms and norm. What do you mean by norm? Norms means group. Okay. In normal probability curve, the normal probability curve indicates the sigma score, a standard score, by transferring raw score. So norm of the test are developed in the form of the sigma score. It is known as Z score or Z score norms or sigma score norms. The percentile are also obtained by the use of the NPC. Percentile also norms in group, not individual. Okay, what you going to the standard score, giving meaningful score to the for the collected data, that is nothing but the norms or standard score. Standard scores also known as norms. What the name of the different types of the standard score, that is also norm scores. That is also known as norm score and standard score. That is used in the interpretation of the test score in the test construction. And this is the application of the NPC. Next, item value, item difficulty. Item difficulty value. It is the criteria of the examination. Neither easy nor hard question will be given in the examination. And some harder problem is given, some some difficult problem will be given, some easy problem will be given, neither easy nor hard. That is the formula for the calculating item difficulty value. It is the also use of the what? Normal probability curve by using Z score. The same formula is of Z score that is used for the item difficulty value. So this is the application of the normal probability curve. Item difficulty, item analysis. It is also used in the item analysis. Next point.
Sir, by Z score, we can also determine the item difficulty value.
Yes, sir. This is the formula, but idea is different. It is transformed to other, but actually difficulty value is also the form of the Z score. Now comparison of two tests, two distribution. Comparison of two distribution. And due to this reason, I am given two set of data. Okay. Why? For the comparison. Comparison in two or more than two. Comparison between this mean that two. Comparison among this mean that more than two. Understand? So when if it is two set of data, then it is possible to calculate t-test, ANOVA, etc. So two distribution, comparison of two distribution, that is also the from the normal probability curves. And that's it is nothing in the statistics, in the research statistics, that is nothing but the comparison and difference and relation. What do you mean by comparison? Comparison is equal to difference from plus relation. Write down your confusion. Comparison is equal to difference plus relation. Okay. Comparison is equal to difference plus relation. And when are you going to find out the difference? When are you going to relate two things? Okay, that is the nothing but the application of the normal probability curve. But without it, the normal probability curve is also a relationship between two, ordinate and abscissa. Okay, so comparison of the two distribution table frequency and two set of data, that is the nothing but the application of the normal probability curves. Next point.
Sir, I have a simple query, sir.
Next point.
Hello, sir. Sir, I have a query, sir.
What?
Sir, I suppose I have two set of data. And suppose I have two set of data. And both are not normally distributed.
Both are not normally distributed. This means that the application of the you have to find out the skewness or kurtosis. Then you have to got this one. This is the nothing but the application of the normal probability curves. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Next point, level of significance. Level of significance, I think that you do not understand because level of significance, this is the matter of the inferential statistics, and inferential statistics deals about the explanation of the population on the basis of the sample. Okay. So that is this is the matter of the inferential statistics, and this is the inferential level of significance. Let us suppose that in Indian, it is the Indian customary of the research in India, that is to 0.05 level of significance and 0.01 level of significance has been for the accepting or rejecting the hypothesis it is taken. Okay, but this is what is. This is nothing but the application of the NPC. If you are getting a low skewness and low point nearby the value 0.263, that will be level of significance that is high. And level of significance that is high, this means that no error, less error. And level of significance, if you are getting high, low, this means that there are high error. So this is this control the normal probability curve. So it is the level of significance also determine the level of significance of a statistical result are determined in terms of the NPC limit. As for example, 0.5 level significant, that means that 95% right and 5% wrong. And if you are taking 0.01 level of significance, it means that 99% right and 1% wrong. But it is not necessary. In Indian, it is the customary in India for accepting or rejecting the hypothesis, either on the 0.05 or 0.01 level. But in foreign country, it is not limitation at all. Any types of level of significance we have to take. But in India, it is accepted either on the 0.5 level of significance or in the 0.01. One is low level of significance, another is a high level of significance. Okay. So this is not a matter. In foreign country, it is not matter. Whatever you get it, that is the level of significance. That will be as either you accept or you reject the hypothesis. So this is nothing but the application of probability and normal probability curves. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Understand
Okay, sir.
level of significance.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
2 level in India only. But in foreign country, no customary to take either 0.05 level of significance or 0.01 level of significance. In foreign country, why you have getting? You have to get any types of level of significance that will be accepted and that is rejected. But in India, you have to take 0.05 level of significance and 0.01 level significance. It is not a hard and fast rule and regulation for the level of significance for the accepting and rejecting the hypothesis. But this is the customary. In the research customary, we have to take, it is very easy to take a 0.05 level and 0.01 level. Okay, but it is not a hard and fast rule. It is not a customary in the research at the global level. It only in India, you have to take 0.05 or 0.01 level of significance. Okay?
Sir, is the level of significance is called p value, sir?
T value, F value, Z value, A value, ANOVA, 1A, 2A, 3A, that is given in the statistical table. That will be the level of significance that will be taken from the statistical technique. But in the for the t-test, it is necessary 1.96 point at the level of 0.05 level and 2.58 at the level of 0.01 level of significance for the two-tail test. But the one-tail test, that is different. Okay. One-tail test, the value 1.64 at the 0.05 level of significance and 2.64 at the level of 2.01 levels of significance. That is accepted at the sample given by 500. And I think that after 200 and to the sample taken up to the 500, the value is the same. The 1.96 at the level of the 0.5 level and the 2.58 at the level of the 0.01 level significance. It is the matter when I have to teach inferential study, it will be discussed. But it is nothing but the application of the normal probability curves. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I may stop sharing.
Thank you, sir.